Hey, hey, and hello, friends. It's another day, another poem. It's a rainy day today, my favorite kind of day. Also, welcome to the world, Sage. You were born yesterday. I haven't yet met you, but I'm excited to meet you. Yeah, what a good thing. Our friend had a baby, and I'm sure he is amazing. Welcome to the planet. Typewriter Series number 464 today. Here's your wee paper. It's this weird color of peachy, I don't even know what. And this one is not about babies. But I guess technically it's about the process that leads to making them. Here we go. What if I kiss you, wildly, long kisses so you can wordlessly say all you never find the voice for? Whoa, I love you.